This video is a step-by-step tutorial to walk you through NOAA Storm Events Database to access data for hurricanes and tropical storms. Specifically, we will be looking for the Saffir-Simpson scale and wind speed as the measurements for hurricanes and tropical storms. We typically focus on the most extreme or severe event for each hazard in your community to meet the requirement to include extent data for your plan. However, we have few tropical storms or hurricanes hitting Vermont, so this tutorial will also help you meet the requirement to include past occurrences and impacts of this hazard. After accessing NOAA Storm Events Database, you need to identify the time frame to search for the hazard event. I will be beginning at January 1st, 1950 to the present. So right here on begin date and end date. And then next you'll select your county. I will choose Bennington County, and next you'll click your event types. When selecting multiple event types, click and hold the control button until you've selected all of them. For hurricanes and tropical storms, you will select hurricane and tropical storm. And the use of advanced search and filter options is not needed, so you can just hit search. As you'll see, these 12 columns pop up, and there is only one event under hurricane tropical storm. So if you click on that hyperlink in Bennington, you'll see episode narrative, which is pretty long. This is for Hurricane Irene. So once you read through this episode narrative, you'll be given key event details, and it'll provide you with the indicator data, such as wind speed and a variety of others. If you continue to scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see all events for this episode. Here, you'll be able to learn more about the flash flood and flood events associated with the tropical storm. To create a holistic picture of the event, you can reference historical disaster impacts and loss estimates to infrastructure, facility systems, people, or essential capabilities. And this concludes our tutorial on hurricane hazard data. And this video is a series produced by Vermont Emergency Management's Hazard Mitigation Program. For more information, you can find us on the web, email us, and see more tutorials on our YouTube channel.